consider points A, B and C. Find the area of parallelogram ABCD with adjacent sides AB and AC. So we have a figure like this with adjacent sides AB, AC. Now we need to find the area of this parallelogram. Let's find the vector AB and the vector AC. So AB, we just subtract the corresponding components of A from B, that's AB, and AC is just C minus A, corresponding components. Okay, so we have AB and AC vectors. Now to find the area, we first find the cross product, and the magnitude of this cross product is the area. So area of parallelogram is just find the cross product of adjacent sides and take the magnitude. So AB cross AC, IJK, AB vector, then AC, just calculate as we have done earlier. So we have this vector. Now we can find the area. Okay, which is just take the magnitude of this vector, negative 5 squared plus negative 10 squared plus 5 squared. That's 150. We can simplify, but we don't have to. If we simplify, 25 times 6, 150, 25 means 5 root 6. In part B, here, find the distance from point A to line BC, from point A to line BC. Okay, pretty much ABC is a triangle, and this triangle has the area half of the whole parallelogram. So we know the area of this triangle, and we know area is given by half times base times height. So distance of this line from A is just the perpendicular distance. This is like height. If we consider ABC triangle, we know the area of this triangle, that is half of this area, and BC, we can find the length of BC because we know the coordinates of B and coordinates of C. So let's find BC here. Just subtract C to B and find the distance. Okay, just the length, which is magnitude. So the vector BC is just subtract the coordinates of B from C. And now let's find the length of BC, magnitude of BC, which is square root of negative 1 squared plus 3 squared, negative 3 squared plus negative 7 squared, which is 59. Okay, so we have the length of BC, and we also have the area of this triangle ABC. Okay, let's use that. Now, area of triangle, okay, area of ABC is given by half times base, we can think BC, times height, which is the distance from A to BC. So that distance, height, we are trying to find this distance. Let me write just distance, and we are trying to find this. That is, in fact, in our case, area of this triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. So half of 5 root 6, so half times 5 root 6 equals half times length of BC. Okay, we found here that's square root of 59 times the distance. Okay, now we want to find the distance. For we divide the left hand side by this junk, so it implies distance is just, we divide this by 1/2 square root of 59, and when we divide 2 and 2 cancel, so 5 root 6 over square root of 59. You can approximate to decimals, but this is good enough. These many units final.